Hey guys, really quickly, I do need to warn you guys about this Discord account hack. I do not want you to get hacked or banned from any servers like my friend did. Basically, it'll start by your friend or someone else you know sending you this link. Uh, it will say like, legit server, please join. It's not a legit, it is a hack. Upon joining the server, you will get DM'd with something like this, and it'll say, hey, scan this on mobile, you get free nitro. Do not scan it on mobile. If you do, it'll prompt you to log in, and then you're screwed. If you do somehow fall for this, it will send the first message I showed you to all your friends, and any servers that you have staff in or are in, it will ping everyone in every channel that it can, and for the channel that it can't, it will still try to ping everyone, but it will post this link. My friend got muted from like 5 servers and banned from like another 2. He even had to transfer his own server to me temporarily. And if you, oh, like, it will legit send it in every channel. For example, right here, it, like, every one of these red dots represent a ping. In every channel it sent one. Yes, even in these, blocked off channels. Those are just private channels that, only me and staff are supposed to know about. But yeah, uh, and if you do somehow accidentally click it, what you need to do is you will need to reset your account password. You can do that in your Discord settings, and then it will log everyone out. And just make sure, if you get a free nitro, it will look something like this. It won't actually have a QR code. So yeah, wipe your password if this happens to you, and if you get a chance, leave all the servers you can that you that you know you'll be able to join back later, because I do not want any of you guys to temporarily get banned. Anyways, I hope this helped. Big rip to Pokemon. He is working on getting his account back right now. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Austin out. Peace.